Okay, we are about to go outside, the beginning of the blizzard. If I can get the door unlocked here. We definitely have gotten a lot of snow in the past less than 24 hours, just since probably about 10 o'clock last night. This was all clear this morning. It was shoveled and iced at about 7 a.m. There was no snow. Same thing with our walkway. Whew. There are a lot of flakes coming down right now. I'm gonna go out to the street so we can really see it blowing around. This is what it looks like. There's our car. There was no snow on the car yesterday. We drove it yesterday, so it was all cleaned off. And there was no snow anywhere yesterday, pretty much. This is all brand new. There's the front of our building. You can see the snow. Whew. There's a lot of stuff flying around.